In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the standalone version of iTunes for Windows without using the Microsoft Store. To get started, the first thing you want to do is close the Microsoft Store app if it opens automatically. After that, open a normal web browser such as Chrome or Edge. In the search bar, type iTunes the 10th of December 2011 for Windows, Windows 64 bits, and open the Apple support page that matches that title. The reason we're using this page is because it's an older support page, and that helps avoid the automatic prompts that try to send you into the Microsoft Store instead of giving you the direct installer. Once you're on the page, look near the top for the title iTunes, the 10th of December, 2011 for Windows, Windows 64 bits. Right below that, you should see a blue download button. Click that button, and your browser should immediately begin downloading a file called iTunes64setup.exe. As this happens, make sure you ignore any extra pop-ups, ads, or banners so you only download the correct installer file. When the download is fully finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click iTunes64setup.exe to launch it. If Windows shows a security message asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, go ahead and click Yes. That simply gives the installer permission to run properly on your computer. The Apple installation wizard will then appear on your desktop. Click Next to continue. You may see an option to set iTunes as your default player. If you'd rather keep another app as the default for music files, uncheck that box. Then click Install and let the setup complete. Once the progress bar finishes, click Finish. At that point, iTunes should open directly on your desktop, installed locally, and no longer tied to the Microsoft Store version.